You can make hundreds of dollars with free ad service by promoting your affiliate links. If you want to know how this is done and how easy this can be done by anyone, if you are a newbie or like a professional, and if you are stuck up with your affiliate marketing and you never know where to promote your products, then you are in the right place. Do watch the complete video and find out where to place these ads and start making passive income. Hello guys, I am Sid. I'll be teaching you how to make money online by following simple steps. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel because it helps me a lot to make further videos, because making videos take a lot of time, effort, and also I need to search new ways for you guys to make money, and it will really help me out and it motivates me to help create beautiful content. Let's get into the stuff and see how this works and how you can kickstart your affiliate marketing in a new way. First of all, you have to select a product which you have to promote, and if you are new to affiliate marketing, I would suggest go to Warrior Plus or ClickBank, Digistore, whichever comfortable you are. Right now I am into Warrior Plus, and in Warrior Plus if you go to affiliate and see the offers, and you can see a lot of offers, but which one to choose is the point, right? First one, you have to see release date, because most of the products lifetime would be around 1 month or less than a week. So I prefer within a week, whatever is there, go grab it. And if you see this 4th of December and this is 8th of December, and I can see thousands of sales, so you know what to do, right? If there are a lot of sales and if the release date is near, this product is on fire and lot of people are buying this, so there is a lot of attraction to it and there is a lot of conversion too. What I can say is, you have to select this product, apply for the link, and once you get the link, this is the link, this is the promotional link. Here there will be apply, you have to apply, then vendor approves it. You need to know what this product about. Rush is a cloud-based video creation app, and the link is below. You can take this link, and after taking this link, this is a process of getting a link of your affiliate product. You can promote any products. Right now almost every other company is getting into affiliate marketing because physical promotion of products is becoming tough due to this COVID situation. So most of the products are getting sold online, and most of the references are happening only on online. There is no physical contact at all. So keeping all this in mind, in this COVID situation, lot of companies getting into promotion of affiliate links. It works this way: if you promote this product to someone, you know, if that person buys your stuff, you will get a part of commission over it. That's part of affiliate marketing. If you are new to it, there are a lot of videos I have done on affiliate marketing. Go check it out. Once you get your link, let's get into promotional aspect. Here this video is based on how to utilize your free ads network and make money, right? So here we are choosing some of the free ad networks like Craigslist, globalfreeclassifiedads.com, and freeadforums.com. You might have thought, like, how do these sites get so much of traffic? Like, does it really work? All these questions, right? And if you see the freeadforums.com, I'll show you per day there are around 2,300 people visiting to the site, and there are page views around almost 10,000 page views a day. And if you see global free classified ads, per day it's like 14,000 people are visiting, and in that 44,000, around 45,000 page views a day. Even if you convert 1% of that, if you see this product, it's the commissions are almost 50%, and sometimes it is like recurring commissions. You will be getting around $400. 1%, if you 1% per day, 1%, you are making a lot of money with this. If you don't believe like who will promote your affiliate links over here, and that's a wrong way of thinking. You might have heard John Crestani. If you are into affiliate marketing, you might have heard him, or if you are into YouTube, you might have heard him. He is a multi-millionaire. With just affiliate marketing, he is making hell lot of money. And this is a person, okay, you see where he is promoting the free ads forum, and his course is learn how to make six-figure income. And if you click his link, it will take you to his course. You can see here, free training, get in, sign up. I mean, this, even though if it's free training, that's where you get leads. I mean, for affiliate marketer, I don't want to explain all these things, leads, squeeze page. Probably you'll be knowing all of those things. If you don't know, just leave a comment. I'll make a video on that. I mean, if you are looking at this video, obviously it's like you want to improve your online presence. Do comment whatever your thoughts are. I'll be very happy to help you out. Do smash the like button. Subscribe if you have not done. If you are supporting small YouTubers, you'll be getting a lot of interesting stuff, because they always want to get your attention, and they will search new ways to impress you guys. I am putting a lot of effort in making these videos, searching myself which are the things working online that helps you increase your income. You see, this is a free ad he has just posted, and even if it's premium, it just costs like $5 for 90 days. It's not a big thing. You can just promote your affiliate links on free classified ads network. Before signing off, I'll be leaving all the links which I have explained here below. Just use them to your advantage. Don't spam them. I request you to subscribe, hit the bell icon for all the updates I'll be getting to you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.